I'm gonna adjust your ankles now. So for this, I'm gonna pull this down like this, and we're gonna pull in that direction, okay? Okay, breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth. Good, sinking in.
Oh, yeah, whoa. That was a little different.
Ankle, yeah.
Oh, wait, was my ankle?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. I felt it in my foot. Like, in my foot.
Well, yeah.
Not my
I mean,
ankle.
like, your ankle is like where your tibia connects to your talus, right? So this is your true ankle right here.
Right.
These things out here are not really your ankle. Where the leg actually connects to the foot is right there.
Okay.
That's what I just adjusted.
Yeah, because, like, normally I cut like this way. That was amazing.
Okay. Good. Breathing, sinking. One more time. Good. Okay, I'm going to just do a calcaneus adjustment. So I'm going to hit your heel like that, okay?